Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at QLD. This is a 2x leveraged ETF, and it is surprisingly looking pretty good right here, right now. As you can see from the chart, we have clear support right at that 50-day moving average, and QLD closed above this downward sloping 200-day moving average. So I like the fact that the moving averages are starting to cluster together. It didn't just get above the moving averages like it did back here. It did it on a nice pickup in volume. So there's more volume coming into some of the tech sector. And that has me wondering, is tech a safe haven when the banks are collapsing? I don't know. I mean, if you look at stocks like Meta is up today. And again, up on a nice pickup in volume. It's testing this breakout from back here in early February. And if I had to guess, I'd say this trend has the potential to maybe come up here and test this area of resistance where it gapped down and then started this downtrend. I wouldn't be surprised if it took a little while, but trended up towards that level. And so that has me interested in the tech sector. And if you're looking to play the tech sector with a little extra juice, I like to look at QLD. And so I started a small position here in QLD, and I really just want to see if it can hold above that 50-day moving average. So my risk on this trade is less than 5%, and I have clear expectations where I think, you know what, maybe it can come up here to that 44 region. Maybe it can even go further and test that 46 region. But as long as it holds up above that 50-day moving average, so this is just one of many things that we're looking at right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. In fact, Dan Fitzpatrick put a position on QLD live during a webinar today. You should definitely check out what we're doing. Click the link, take a trial, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.